Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bike Flex. My name's Max, and today we've got a 2019 Yamaha MT-09.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Before we take a look at the bike, let's have a little word with the rider. Today I'm with D Fib. Some of you may recognise him from his YouTube channel, The Real D Fib.
Don't pull in front of me, stay in the right lane, you fat c***. Sorry, language. Oh, no thank you. No thank you. Double it, pass it to the next person.
D Fib, thanks for bringing the bike out today, mate.
No worries.
How's it going, you alright?
Yeah, not too bad.
Right, let's get started then. So, let's get started with you telling us the first bike you learned to ride on.
So it was actually my CBT. It was a Yamaha YBR 125. Okay. It was a piece of shit.
Mate, all bikes are good bikes, aren't they?
From there, I started using my stepdad's Yamaha VT, just a 125 scooter, no gears, rode on that for a couple of months. Then in 2017, I went and bought a YZF-R 125, ran him out the showroom. Eventually binned it, completely wrote off thanks to an Audi driver.
Bad one?
A little bit, major like soft tissue, ligament damage, muscle damage to my legs, crutches for 2 weeks.
Okay.
But that's about it. After that, I eventually made A2 and upgraded to a Ninja 250R.
Nice, very nice.
Didn't have it for too long, and then eventually got a CBR 500, which led me to a CBR 600RR, and then picked this up literally last weekend.
Very nice, very nice. So this is new to you then, yeah?
Yeah, it's a big change. I've always rode super sports for 11 years. I've been riding.
I bet the upright riding position's a nice change, is it not?
So comfortable.
Yeah,
so comfortable.
That's generally why I choose naked bikes.
Yeah.
Do you miss the tucking at all?
I do, but I don't. It's one of them. Tucking's great for short rides, and blasting up the hill.
Twisties.
Yeah, but it's still got the torque. It's still got somewhat of a top end.
These are great bikes, these are. Like I said, I didn't bought one of these myself, but I went with the KTM Ducat 90 instead. Yeah, real hooligan bikes these are.
Yeah, I won't classify myself as a hooligan.
No,
not yet.
Well, you only had it a week, mate, give it time. But yeah, all right, so is there anything you particularly miss about your CBR changing over to this?
Not really, it's literally just the angle bars, but I think that's, like I said, I've been riding them 11 years.
It's more what you're used to, isn't it?
Yeah, trying to corner on straight bars is so foreign. It feels really weird, so it takes a while to get used to, but I'm getting there, as you don't judge my chicken strips. But, you know,
like you said, it's new, isn't it? It's new.
Yeah.
But mate, she's a beautiful bike, she really is. Talk us through some of the mods you've carried out on the bike then.
So this isn't what I did, like I said, I've only had it a week. This was previous owner, but it's got a full akrapovic system. I believe the baffle's checking out because of how loud it is. It's got carbon frame cover.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Just covers on both sides. I think when I googled it, they're about £300 just for them. Carbon mudguard, now we're about 280. Swing arm cover, again carbon, same company, it's about 280. R&D crash bungs. Obviously the protector for the engine. He fitted a quick shifter as well. It's my first ever bike with a quick shifter.
Oh mate,
I'm never going to go back.
Yeah, real game changer.
Never going back.
I bet it makes a nice pop when you shift it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, yeah. One of the other aftermarkets he did add on was a spotlights underneath. Obviously you get them on the newer R1s.
Yeah.
But people say it looks evil with them.
I can see it's got wavy discs, so they don't come stock, do they? I'm fairly adamant the wavy discs aren't stock, so the fella before you must have put them on as well.
Yeah.
But I have to say, I really like the akrapovic, the way it's undertucked as well. It's very nice.
The only things I'm actually going to change is I'm going to get my decals put on the front for the social medias on the screen. The wing mirrors are getting bar ends.
You're going to go up or down?
Down.
Down, yeah. Down and out or down and in?
I think down and in.
Yeah.
We'll see.
I used to have them, and I'll tell you now, you've got to do that to look every time. But it does look a lot better.
And the only other things I'm going to get is EvoTech Performance levers as well.
Nice, very nice.
But yeah, apart from that, aftermarkets, it's just the indicators and then the tail tidy.
She's a beautiful bike, mate. She really is a nice bike. that's a wrap. Thanks once again for D Fib for bringing the bike out for us to check out. Make sure you go check him out on social medias and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you're liking the content and want to be kept up to date, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. And remember, if you want to flex it, we want to see it.